Hello, everybody, and welcome back to Tech Talk, Unlocking Efficiencies with techOMS. My name is Adam Lavergne, and today we're going to discover where to find newly released features and look at their knowledge base articles. Whether you're a tech enthusiast or simply looking to streamline your operations, this episode will give you practical insights you can apply right away. In the last Tech Talk episode, we explored different inventory synchronization options, what they do, when to use them, and how they apply. Today, we're going to do a guided tour to highlight where users can find newly released features and knowledge base articles. With just a few clicks, techOMS can help keep you up to date and in the know. Let's take a look. So we've logged into techOMS, and you'll notice in the upper right-hand corner, you'll see this present icon. Clicking on the present icon will show you the last 3 releases. So here's the latest 3 features, DataX, Logua, and an expanded product catalog attribute. Should you want to see more than the last 3, click on See All Changes. With our 2-week development cycle, we're frequently adding features and plugins, as well as product updates. So here you can see, again, plugin, another new plugin. Here's a product update to our product catalog, where we've introduced tier discount pricing, rich media, and we've added a couple flex fields to customize pass-through information. When it comes to using these new features, you can click on the resource link to take you to their product knowledge base for all of our how-to articles. So here it shows you in our knowledge base how to edit a product variant or details, a step-by-step guide. If we go back a level to techOMS, here you'll see all of our knowledge base articles, all of our guides, how-tos, product information, broken out by section to make it a little easier to find what you're looking for, be it admin, inventory-related, order rules, sales orders, sales channels, etc. If our many self-service options still do not answer your specific questions, the Submit a Ticket link at the top of the knowledge base page will open up a ticket where you can fill out your particular information, problem you're having, etc., and submit that to our support team. Whether you're keeping up with our bi-weekly development cycle or looking for self-serve resources, techOMS makes it easy to stay informed and supported. And remember, if you ever need additional help, our support team is just a click away from the knowledge base. Thank you for joining me today on our guided tour highlighting where you can find newly released features and knowledge base articles. Be sure to tune in next month for the next episode in our Tech Talk series, where we'll continue unlocking efficiencies and helping you get the most out of techOMS. See you next time.